Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instructions sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 1 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter dimensions on the single project dimensions sheet. Example item 1.4.01 Introduction Shelf Dimensions. This is step 1, part 4 of the pedestal cost workup example. A macro prompts the user to enter the values specified. 5 shelf values will be entered. 4 are dimensions, and the 5th is a quantity. On the elevation pedestal sheet, the shelf dimensions macros are located in the area titled Elevation: Shelf. On the project dimensions sheet, the sequence is always as follows. First, width measured across the fixture front left to right. Second, depth measured from the fixture front to back. Third, height of section measured from the component's lowest point to the highest point. Height of section is a misnomer. A more accurate description is height of component or part. Fourth, height accumulated, measured from the floor to the highest point of the component or part. Fifth, quantity, which is usually 1, but varies in some circumstances. The message box will indicate the value to enter in the project dimensions cell for each of the 5 cells. Enter the dimension when prompted, then return to the instruction sheet. On the shelf cost workup sheet, the rows focus on shelf characteristics. This example 1.4.01 is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 1.4.02.